We'll guide you through how to make iTransition DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch DaVinci Resolve and waiting for the software to open completely. Once the application is ready, create a new project to begin editing your video. After creating the project, open the Edit tab. Next, import 2 videos into the media pool so they're available for use in the project. Drag the first video onto the timeline and place it at the beginning of the sequence. Then drag the second video onto the timeline as well, positioning it after the first clip. Before creating the transition, trim the clips to keep only the parts you want to use and remove any unnecessary footage. This helps make the final edit cleaner and more professional. Once the clips are prepared, select the first clip and open the inspector panel to access its transformation controls. In the inspector, enable a keyframe in the middle of the clip to establish the starting point for the animation. After creating the keyframe, move the playhead to the end of the clip and adjust the video position so that it is focused on the subject's eyes. This creates the zooming movement that will guide the viewer's attention toward the transition point. Next, modify the zoom X and zoom Y values to enlarge the image and create a stronger focus on the eyes. Continue refining the effect by adjusting the position X and position Y settings as needed until the framing looks natural and centered. Make sure the motion flows smoothly from the original view into the close-up by shot. Once you are satisfied with the zoom and position animation, go to the Effects menu to add the transition. Add the drop warp transition and place it between the 2 clips on the timeline. After applying the transition, preview the entire video to ensure everything plays smoothly from one clip to the next. Then export the final result using your preferred settings.